The hidden glow of human life. Biophoton emission. When someone says, "You're glowing," we often take it as a compliment about our mood, health, or confidence. But science reveals that this phrase is not just metaphorical, it's literal. Japanese researchers have discovered that the human body emits a faint, natural light known as biophoton emission, a phenomenon caused by chemical reactions within our cells. Though invisible to the naked eye, this glow is a constant reminder that our bodies are alive with energy. The science behind the glow. Biophoton emission occurs when reactive oxygen molecules interact with lipids and proteins in our cells. These interactions produce photons, tiny particles of light that radiate outward. And like infrared radiation, which is heat-based, biophoton emission is visible light, though it is so weak that our eyes cannot detect it. In fact, the glow is about 1 billion times weaker than what human vision can perceive unaided. Using ultra-sensitive cameras, scientists in Japan captured this subtle shimmer across faces, hands, and torsos. What they found was remarkable. The glow is not static but pulses with our metabolism. It peaks in the late afternoon, when our bodies are most active, and dims at night as our systems slow down. This rhythmic flicker is a biological signature of life itself, not aura, but biology. For centuries, mystical traditions have spoken of human auras, fields of energy surrounding the body. While biophoton emission may sound similar, it is not mystical but biological. The glow is not evidence of supernatural forces but of the ordinary, extraordinary chemistry that keeps us alive. It is a product of oxidative stress, cellular respiration, and the ceaseless dance of molecules within us. This distinction matters. By grounding the phenomenon in biology, researchers open the door to practical applications. Biophoton emission could one day serve as a non-invasive diagnostic tool, helping doctors monitor metabolic health, oxidative stress, or even early signs of disease. What was once the stuff of spiritual speculation may become a cornerstone of medical science. Constant signal of life. Though invisible, the glow is always there, a radiant signal of vitality. It reminds us that life is not only about movement, thought, or sensation, but also about light. Every cell in our body participates in this luminous symphony, releasing photons as part of its daily work. In this sense, we are all walking lanterns, carrying a hidden flame that never goes out until life itself ends. This perspective reshapes how we think about ourselves. We are not just biochemical machines, we are luminous beings. The fact that our bodies shine, however faintly, adds a poetic dimension to biology. It suggests that light is not only something we see but something we are. The metabolic rhythm of light. The daily cycle of biophoton emission mirrors the rhythm of our metabolism. In the afternoon, when energy production is at its peak, the glow intensifies. At night, as the body prepares for rest, the glow fades. This pattern reflects the intimate connection between light and life. Just as plants use light to drive photosynthesis, humans emit light as a byproduct of the energy that sustains us. This rhythm also underscores the importance of balance. Too much oxidative stress can increase photon emission, signaling cellular damage. Too little may indicate sluggish metabolism. In this way, the glow is not just a curiosity but a potential biomarker of health. Seeing the unseen. We may never see this glow with our naked eyes, but technology allows us to glimpse it. Ultra-sensitive cameras reveal the flicker, turning the invisible into the visible. These images are hauntingly beautiful, showing faces and hands shimmering with a hidden radiance. They remind us that science often uncovers wonders that lie just beyond perception. And yet, even without cameras, we can appreciate the idea. Knowing that we shine even imperceptibly adds depth to everyday experiences. When someone tells you you're glowing, they may be speaking more truth than they realize. Science already confirms it. The poetry of biology. Biophoton emission bridges science and poetry. It is a fact rooted in chemistry, yet it resonates with metaphor. To glow is to be alive, to radiate energy, to embody vitality. The discovery that we literally glow affirms what language and culture have long intuited, that light is a symbol of life, in a world often dominated by stress and darkness. This hidden glow offers comfort. It tells us that beneath the surface, our bodies are radiant. We are luminous beings, carrying sparks of light in every cell. That light may be faint, but it is constant and wavering, and profoundly human.